We'll guide you through how to fix Google Chrome not opening or working. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This problem's annoying as you're then unable to use Chrome, so you've got some different fixes you can try. Press search at the bottom and you want to go and type in Task Manager. Go to the search and you want to go and type in Chrome like so, and if you see any processes, you want to go and select it and then go and press End Task. And if there's background ones, do the same as well, then go and see if it will open. If it still won't, the next thing you need to do is go and press on search at the bottom and go and type in run. You'll go and get a pop-up. Type in percentage, local app, data percentage and press OK and it will open. In here, you need to scroll down and find Google. Scroll down, find Google, then you can go and find Chrome. Come into user data. Find the folder GR shader cache, right click on it and delete it. Then you want to scroll down again and go and find shader cache, right click on it and delete it. If it's still not working, we're going to do a complete uninstall and reinstall. Make sure you follow the steps, you do it correctly. Press search at the bottom and type in remove programs. Press search at the top and you want to go and type in Chrome. Go to the right and press the three dots and press uninstall. Let that run. However, it will still leave data on your computer. So open up your file explorer, press SPC to the left and come into local disk. Then program files and scroll down and find Google. Come into it, then you want to go and find Chrome. And what you need to do is go and delete this folder. Scroll down to Google, then you want to go and find the Chrome folder, right click on it and you can delete it. Also press search at the bottom and go and type in run. Come to local app data again and press OK, and you need to go and find Google Chrome again. Scroll down to Google, come down to Google and you want to go and find Chrome and then you can right click on it and delete it. Open a web browser on your computer and you can come and download Chrome again and install it and hopefully that will then be solved.